If you've ever uploaded PDFs to your WordPress site and wondered why visitors can't find them, this video is for you. By default, WordPress search ignores the content inside your PDF files, so if a visitor searches for something that lives inside a PDF, they get nothing. WebEquipe PDF Search Pro fixes that. It indexes your PDFs and connects them to WordPress search, so visitors find the right document with the exact matching text right in their results. In this video, we'll walk through the entire plugin, screen by screen. Let's get started. Once the plugin is active, look for PDF Search Pro in your WordPress left sidebar. You'll find 5 sections: Dashboard, Settings, Manage PDFs, Index Activity, and Help. We'll go through each one. These pages are only visible to site administrators. The dashboard is your control center, indexing health, stats, and recent activity all in one place. At the top, Sync Now refreshes your plan usage and OCR quota. Settings and Help are one click away. The headline tells you whether your index is healthy or needs attention. The status pills show your license, background tasks, and any failed documents. The 4 cards answer the key questions: how many PDFs are indexed, how many pages were scanned, what percentage of your library is covered, and whether any documents have errors. Scroll down for recent indexing jobs and your copy-ready search shortcode. On the right, System Health monitors your search engine, OCR, background scheduler, and queue. If jobs get stuck, Clear Stuck Queue resets things without touching your indexed content. Open Settings to control how PDFs are indexed and how results appear. Make your changes and click Save Changes at the bottom. First, turn on Enable Search Integration so your indexed PDFs appear in normal WordPress search. Indexing method is the most important setting. Native works on standard text-based PDFs. OCR handles scanned documents using cloud credits. Native plus OCR fallback is the recommended default. It tries native first, then falls back to OCR automatically. Manual only means you control indexing yourself. Processing settings let you set the maximum file size, timeout per PDF, and batch size for bulk jobs. Lower the batch size on shared hosting if you see timeouts. On Pro plans, you can default new PDFs to private, so only logged-in users can find them until you make them public. Search Result Display controls what visitors see: icon, file size, page count, thumbnail, and snippet length. Toggle what suits your site. Leave Delete Data on Uninstall turned off, unless you want all your indexed content permanently removed when the plugin is uninstalled. Click Save Changes when you're done. Manage PDF is your library command center. Every PDF on your site in one searchable, filterable table. Click Scan PDF to load your library. The stat cards show totals for indexed, not indexed, excluded, and failed files. Each row shows the file name, page count, visibility, extraction type, and status. The action buttons on the right change based on the file's current state. Click Index Native on any file to index it immediately. You'll see the status update in real time. For multiple files, use bulk actions. Select your files, choose an action, and click Apply. One important note: Exclude keeps a PDF out of all automatic indexing. Include only clears that block. You still need to run index afterward to make it searchable. Re-index all rebuilds your entire library in one go. Clear entire index wipes everything. Only use that when starting completely fresh. Index activity is your full indexing history, every job the plugin has ever run. The summary cards show successful, processing, and failed job counts. The table shows each document, its page count, extraction method, and current status. Filter by failed to find problem files quickly. Then head to Manage PDFs to retry them. Export log downloads your full history, useful for support tickets or your own records. The help page is your built-in manual. Setup steps, every setting explained, shortcode parameters, troubleshooting, and billing, all without leaving WordPress. Mark the shortcode section. You'll come back to it when setting up your PDF search page. You don't have to use the PDF Search Pro menu to manage files. Your media library has a search indexed column showing status at a glance. Green check mark means indexed. Red dash means not indexed. The prohibited icon means excluded. A warning icon means an error. Open any PDF attachment to see the full PDF search index status, service visibility, count, text preview, and all action buttons for that single file. Here's what your visitors see. When search integration is on, PDFs appear right alongside your posts and pages in standard WordPress search. Each result shows the title, a text snippet from inside the PDF, and the metadata you enabled in settings: icon, file size, page count, thumbnail. For a dedicated PDF search page, paste the shortcode into any page. Add search type equals PDF only to show only PDF results, perfect for a document library or resource center. Private PDFs are completely invisible to logged out visitors. Log in and the same search returns the private document. No access denied message. It simply doesn't exist for public visitors. Here's the fastest way to get everything working. 3 steps. Step 1. Settings. Set indexing method to native plus OCR fallback. Turn on search integration. Save changes. Step 2. Manage PDFs. Click Scan PDFs, then re-index all. Watch the progress bar complete. Step 3. Go to your site and search. Your PDFs are now in the results. That's it. 3 steps. Your entire PDF library is now searchable. That's the complete walkthrough of WebEquipe PDF Search Pro. If you have questions, the help page inside WordPress has answers. For anything else, visit webequipe.com/support. Thanks for watching.